Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how pppoll works. The first thing is to add pppoll into your slide. Go to Add-ins and click on pppoll. If you don't have it installed yet, you can click on More Add-ins and search for it and then install it. And then click on pppoll. It will be added into the slide directly. You can resize the frame so it will exactly match the size of my slide. And to create the first poll, click on Settings and a pop-up will open. You can enter your question here, like what is your favorite color? And some answers like blue, green, red, for example. You can also enable live voting in the premium version. Live votes means that when people vote, the results will directly show on your screen. So you don't have to close the poll, but it will directly immediately update when a vote comes in. And you can also enable auto-close poll, like 30 seconds after I started the poll, it will be closed and displaying the results. So when I'm done, I can click on the button here. And as you can see now, the question and the answers are added into the slide. When I'm presenting, I can start the poll by simply clicking on this button here. And as you can see, a QR code is being generated, which your audience can scan with their mobile device. And they will be redirected to the voting page. But you can also go to this URL, pppoll.it, and then use the join code here. So let's open this page. I'm opening it myself now in Google Chrome. So when I join the poll, I see the question and I see the answers. So let's vote for green. And my vote is submitted and I can now close this window. So when I go back to my PowerPoint presentation, I can now close the poll. And when I do so, you will see that the votes are being counted and there is one vote, which is for the green color. So when you have multiple votes, of course, it will all be showing differently. But this is how easy it works to create a poll and to get votes and displaying the results. So thanks for watching.